Sairam children, I hope you all are fit and fine at your places and you are doing great at your home and you are doing study at your home well. So children, today in your maths class we are going to continue our same chapter number 10, play with patterns. Children, we have already done our chapter in our book. I hope you understood the chapter and you have done all the book exercise in the book. So children, today we are going to continue our chapter in our workbook. So let's start with our chapter. Okay. So children, today in workbook, chapter number 10, play with pattern. Question number first, complete the following patterns of carpets. Children, here some of the pattern of carpets are there. Okay, we have to complete it. Like here they have given you this I have draw, means this is extra I have draw. How you have to draw, how you have to complete the pattern. Look at this pattern. You can see here in this pattern of mat, what you will do, you will complete this, you will make shape of heart. Okay, here, and you have to come like first you have to complete this first line, then second line, then third, then fourth. Now if we are talking about next what you will do here, you will draw pattern. Okay, you will draw like this and you will make a dot. Understood? Now what you will do in next, here you will draw these shapes same. First you will draw like this. Okay, 2, then you will add this 5, then this double. So what you will do, you will draw same pattern, like first you will draw 2 here, then 5 in this line, and then 4 over here. Understood? Now come to next pattern. Same you are going to repeat here. In this pattern, what pattern they have draw here, same way you will draw here. Understood? What pattern they have drawn, that same pattern you have to continue in the mat. Now same with this I have drawn for an example. Like if we have drawn like this, so how you will continue in your mat, you can see how you will continue. You will draw same shape over here. Okay, what you have drawn above, so it will complete our pattern. Now come to next question. Study and continue the pattern. Children, you have to see what pattern they have continued. Like if it is square, then triangle, then circle, then again square, then what is next? Triangle will come, then after triangle it is circle will come, then again after circle square will come, then square after what will come? Triangle, then triangle after circle. So same pattern you have to continue over. Understood? Now come to next. First they have drawn 2 cars, then they have drawn 2 buses, then they have drawn 2 cars. So same pattern you will continue. You will draw 2 bus, then again 2 car, then again 2 bus. Okay, same pattern you have to repeat over there. Now come to next. Now you can see here arrow is left side, then up, then right side, then down, then left side. So how you will continue? After left side it is up. Okay, so you will draw up, then right side, then down, then left side. Okay, same pattern you will continue. Okay, now these you will do on your own. This is your homework. You have to continue the same pattern. Understood? And that you have to continue in the same way what pattern they are drawing, that we have to complete with the same pattern. Now come to question number 3. Okay, now look here. Circle the figure which comes next in the pattern. Circle the figure which comes next in the pattern. Children, you have to circle the figure. First of all, they have given 3 options over here. You have to circle that figure which come next. Like if we are talking about slanting line here, then left, then right, then left, then right, then again left, then right. So we will circle on A part first of all, then we will draw the shape over the blank. Understood? Now come to next. If it is having 2 line, then 4, then yes 5, then yes 6. So you will draw according to same pattern. So what you will draw over here? You will draw A part. You will draw A part. Understood? How much lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? That A part you will first of all circle, then you will draw figure on the above blank. Now next, if we are talking about 2 rectangle, one's big, one small, then 2 semicircle, one big, one small, then 2 triangle, one big, one small, then again rectangle big one is there, then you have to draw small one and you have to circle on C. Okay, now come to next page, page number 71. Now look here, they have drawn 1 circle on rectangle first, then 2, then 3, then you will draw this 4 and you will circle on C part. Now come to next. Children, rest of the 4 parts you will do on your own. You will choose a shape which will come to the next, and that you have to draw on the above blank, and you will circle from the above options. Understood? Now come to next question. Continue the number pattern. Children, previous also we have done number pattern. Now here we are going to continue with our number pattern. Like first it is 30, 35, 40, 45, then what will come? 50. How? They have taken the difference of 5 5. They have taken the difference of 5 5. Means they are adding 5 5 to other number. Like 30 plus 5, that is 35. 35 plus 5, that is 40. 40 plus 5, that is 45. So same way you are going to add on and you will write down. Understood? Now 50, then you will add 5 again, that will come 55. Then next number is 60, then your next number is 65. Now come to next part. 121, what is your other number? It is in decreasing form. So how many numbers it is decreasing? That is minus 10. You have to do it. So 111, then 101, then 91, then 81 is written. Then what will come? 71. Then what will come? 61. So in the same way you are going to do. If it is in decreasing form, that you have to do in decreasing form. If it is in increasing form, that you have to do in increasing form. And same number you have to add what is taken, and same number you have to deduct what is same pattern. Now next, 5, 10, 20. So how many numbers they are doing? They are just doubling the number. Like 20, 20 doubles, that will come 40. 40 doubles, that will come 80. 80 doubles, that will come 160. 160 doubles, that will come 320. 320, that will double 640. Okay, in the same way you are going to continue your number pattern. Now next part, 34. What will come next? You will add on 6 number. So next is your 40, then next is your 46, then next is your 52. Okay, 6 they are adding up to 76. We will get our number pattern. Next, what they are doing? They are doing 1000. Okay, then they are doing 900. It is in decreasing form. So 100 they are decreasing. So it will up to 400. Understood? Now rest of the 3 parts you will do on your own. This is your homework. Understood? Now come to next question. Fill in the blanks with correct option. Fill in the blanks with correct option. So the numbers which end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called your odd number. You will take on it and you will write down odd in the blank. Next, the number which ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are called, क्या कहलाते हैं वो हमारे? इवन नंबर. क्या कहलाते हैं? इवन नंबर. Now come to next. There are dash odd numbers between 121 and 135. How many odd numbers? Total numbers that will come, that is 6. How? First we will count. Your first number is 123. Then your second number is 125. Then your other number is 127. Then your other number is 129. Then your other number is 131. Then Next number is 133. So total numbers are there, that is 6. Now there are dash 8 even numbers between 243 and 260. 8 or 9, they have given the options, so we will count again in the same manner. Even numbers, that is 246, then 248, then 250, then 252, then 254, then 256, then 258, then 260, then is your last. So 8 numbers we are having, that is even. Now come to next part. The sum of two odd numbers is always an even number. So when we are adding two odd numbers, so our answer is even. For example, 2 odd numbers they are talking about. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay. For example, 5 plus 7, that is 12. So they are even number. If we are adding odd numbers, we will get even number. Or if we are adding even number, then what we will get? We will get yes, we will get even number. How? Sum of two even number means if we are adding two even number. For example, 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. So they are even number. The sum of an even number and odd number is always an क्या कहलाते हैं हमारे? Yes, is always an odd number. How? The sum of even number and odd number means they are talking about how it will come odd number. Even number is 2 and odd number is 1. So is always your odd number. How? 2 plus 1 is 3. So it will come always odd. Now smallest number which when subtracted from odd number means if smallest number, that is your 2, if it is subtracted from your odd number, that is odd number is your 1, that is smallest number. So it will give always 1 or 0, it will give always 1. Always even number plus 1 is equals to dash number. What they will give? Odd number. How? Even number is 2 and if it is adding 1, so what we will getting? We will getting odd number. We will getting odd number. The smallest odd number is 1. Understood? Write all the odd numbers between 365 and 385. So what are the numbers? That is 367, 369, 371, 373, 375, 377, 379 and 381. Understood? Now come to next. Write all the even numbers between 416 and 432. 432. What are the even numbers? That is 418, 420, 422, 424, 426, 428, 430, 432. So up to 432 we are having these numbers. We have to write down between, so we will not write down this. Up to 430 we will write down our numbers. Understood? Now decode the coded message. An example has been done for you. Children, what are the codes? For example, for A, what codes they are using up to Q? These codes they are using, and from S to Z they are using these codes. For example, if any sentence is there like I love my family, so for I they are using this star. So children, that we have to decode the message. For I they have using this diamond shape. So in the same way, what letter having code, that code we will use for completing our message. Okay, for example, I they are using diamond shape, then go. G they are using square. O they are using star. T they are using up arrow. O they are using again star. S they are using side. C they are using down arrow. H they are using semicircle. O they are using, for O they are using star, one side star colored, half of the portion of the star is colored. For example, this portion of star is colored. Okay, in the same way, for each and every letter or alphabet we are having code. That code we have to use and we have to complete our sentence. Okay children, so I hope it is clear to you. So children, workbook work you will do in your workbook only, and you will do your work very neatly. So children, till then take care and bye bye.